350 years, historical Daegu Mediculture City. The Mecca linking not only Korea, but also the Silk Road of Oriental herbal medicine culture. The very place that provides the herbal aroma and traditional herbal mediculture in Daegu. Soriso contains yin-yang and 5-phase in skin. You can feel the special smile contained in nature itself. The creator of beauty and smile, Soriso. Since 2005, as a specialized herbal cosmetic manufacturer, Soriso has supplied human skin with a natural aroma and power and added more beauty. Soriso cares for skin with revival and whitening effects from aging and roughness. We've developed the most friendly aroma cosmetics with local medicinal herbs based on strictly screened material listed in Dongi Bokam, the Korean traditional medical Bible. Soriso has been certified with ISO certification with most Korean style. We are equipped with the International Standard of Environment Management System and have launched the North American market and overseas markets successfully. The safeness and effectiveness of our herbal cosmetic products are well recognized around the world with advanced technology support and R&D from the Herbal Assistance Center and the Herbal Industrial Promotion Institute. Mild natural aromas that make skin beautiful. Beauty like silk, as gorgeous as white jade. Our representative brand, water carrying beautifully, Gumdansu. Gumdansu skin that moisturizes skin with herb extracts such as greasewood, platycodon, ginkgo nut, root of mulberry, and Cnidium rhizome. Gumdansu Antler Ampoule that makes glossy and smooth skin with antler extract of clean area. And Gumdansu Ampoule that has an outstanding anti-aging effect by sustaining moisturized skin for long periods with herbal aroma essence oil. Gumdansu Whitening Essence that provides the entire skin with herb extracts and moisturizing ingredients and improves skin tone clarity with an extract of mulberry root, which is highly effective in skin whitening. Gumdansu Moisture Cream and Gumdansu Eye Cream, which sustain skin elasticity through an antioxidizing effect and improving skin wrinkles with natural moisturizing factors, Cnidium rhizome and ginkgo extract. The life force of mystical natural herbs. Soriso puts the power of nature into our product.
소리소는 자연과 인간의 조화를 통해 아름다움을 창조하는 것이 소리소의 꿈입니다. 젊음과 탄력이 넘치는 세계인의 아름다운 피부를 위해 봉사하겠습니다.
In a special smile, with the most Korean style, beautiful skin can be cared for. The creator of beauty and smile, Soriso.